Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a tiny microcap SME stock where marquee investor Kenneth Andrade in his personal capacity has bought 1,12,800 shares amounting to 2.74% of the company. Now friends, if you have not already become channel members, please click on the blue join button below and follow the steps to do so. This entitles you to member-only privileges on Profit Equities. Also friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like these videos, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will help you get notified whenever we upload any new video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Banca Biolu, which is available at Rs 76.10 and the face value for it is 10. The holding for Kenneth Andrade in this particular company now stands at 2.74%. The symbol for it is BANKA. Now Banca Biolu is a women-led business organization engaged in promoting and developing innovative environmental friendly products and services for human waste management. Now this company does not have much of a charting history, in fact has not had many trades during the last 1 month. The market cap of the company is 31.30 crores, which means that this company is a very small microcap. The EPS of 4.5954 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 16.56, which is decent. The company's price to book ratio of 1.75 is also not wildly expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0.11, whereas the return on equity for this company is 0.1059. Now this company is still in a growth phase and is hence not paying out any dividends. And this being an SME stock is always traded in market lots, which is 1200 for this company. Now one very positive factor about this company is its very high growth rates, and the 3-year profit growth here stands at 186.94%, whereas the 3-year sales growth stands at 26.38%. Now friends, investments in SME companies is fraught with risk. There is hardly any liquidity, so please be very careful while trying to put your money into this stock. Please go ahead and do your own research. Please don't treat this as a recommendation on our part. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.